To add Facebook Pixel to your Wix website, start by creating a Facebook Pixel account. Go to the Facebook Events Manager and click on Create a Pixel. Then follow the prompts to set up your pixel. Once you have created your pixel, you will be given a pixel code that you will need to add to your Wix website. To add the pixel code to your Wix website, log into your Wix account and navigate to the Settings tab. From there, click on Tracking and Analytics, and then click on New Tool. Select Custom and then paste the pixel code into the box provided. Make sure to add the code to the head section of your website. Next, verify that your pixel is working correctly by using the Facebook Pixel Helper browser extension. This extension will allow you to see if your pixel is firing correctly on your website. To use the extension, navigate to your website and click on the extension icon in your browser toolbar. The extension will then show you which pixels are firing on your website. It is also important to set up events on your pixel to track specific actions on your website, such as form submissions or purchases. To set up events, go to the Facebook Events Manager and click on the Events tab. From there, you can set up custom events and add event codes to your website. Best practices for using Facebook Pixel on your Wix website include making sure to add the pixel code to every page of your website, and setting up events to track key actions on your website. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Facebook Pixel to track and optimize your website traffic and conversions.